Hello and welcome to the Tractor Barn YouTube channel and the Classic Farming series. We're now on the 5th of August 2003. Combining is still taking a pace. We're on the wheat and we see I think it was new at the time, new Holland CX880 cutting away with a rather nice John Deere 7810 carting on a sort of lorry converted trailer. So yep, a little shot of this, very nice to see. And 2003, the wheat harvest is well underway. So hope you enjoy it, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.